Hello and welcome to Pichaya channel. In this video, I will show you my way of solving the level 1 of this case from Microsoft Excel World Championship 2022 Round 1. Let's start. So this is level 1 question. What is the numeric code for the following cells? So we will be given these cells and we need to answer the code. So the way to calculate the code is just the row number multiplied by 10 and plus the column number. So we can use the formula to generate the grid of 10 by 10 like this. We use the column name, which is A to J, and the row number here. Using this formula, we will generate the table of 10 by 10. And after that, we will generate another table which will show the calculation of row number multiplied by 10 plus column number. Since there are just 10 columns and 10 rows, we can use the sequence formula to generate the number. So we can do this way. By row, we use the sequence with the 10 rows and multiply by 10 plus the sequence. We leave the rows parameter blank because we want just the column. 10 columns like this. Like this, we will get the code for each cell. And then when we're gonna answer, we just use the sum ifs formula. We sum the range here with the criteria range, which is this, the first table with the cell coordination, and the criteria is here. Yep. Okay, so this is for level 1.